Hello, my name is Josh Worley, and I am a disability attorney in New Mexico. I'm like many of you guys out there that are working from home today. I'm working from home, and as I was sitting here thinking about how this coronavirus has impacted all of us, it's all impacted us in some ways. I'm working from home. Our office is open, and we're able to do most everything that we need to do from home and through the phones, and so we're impacted, but not as much as some of you guys that are out there. And I was just sitting here thinking about some that are out there that have lost your jobs, or you're worried about losing your job. You just have an uncertain future, and first off, I'm just incredibly sad for those that are out there that fall into that category. Um, I know that has a dramatic impact on your life, and you're worried about your finances and what you're going to do in the future. And uh, I'm just so sorry about that. Um, I wanted to do a video that explained a little bit about Social Security disability, because I thought there might be some that are out there that are looking into Social Security disability as a result of losing their job. And so I wanted to talk you through some of the things that Social Security disability is, some of the things that Social Security disability is not, and just help you understand a little bit more about that. So the first thing that you need to know is that Social Security disability is not a short-term fix or a temporary fix for those that have lost their job and they anticipate being able to return to work as soon as things kind of bounce back, and as soon as things get back to normal. If you feel like you're in that category and you feel like you're going to be able to return to work once everything kind of settles down, then Social Security disability is really not for you. Social Security disability is for individuals that are not able to work due to their health. And so really those that are out there that fall into this category should consider disability. And I was just thinking of an example of someone that would apply to. And the example that I can think of is someone that was working, and they were working before all this hit, but they were struggling with their work, and they were having problems doing their job. Their health in some way or another was impacting them, and even before all this hit, they were having trouble doing their job, and they were getting to the end of the day and saying, boy, I'm not sure I can go another day. And maybe they had diabetes, and the diabetes was getting worse, and maybe they had neuropathy from the diabetes in their feet or their hands, and it was having more and more of an impact on your ability to work. Or maybe you have a bad back, and that back has continued to get worse and was having a dramatic impact on your ability to work. If you fall, and then this coronavirus comes along and you lose your job because of it, if you fall into that category, then Social Security disability is probably something to look into. It's important that you have good medical documentation to prove what's going on, and it's important that you have had a decent work history where you've worked in the past and paid into Social Security. But if you fall into that category, then Social Security disability is something you should look into. What I would encourage you to do is we do free consultations in our office. We talk to people all the time just to help them understand a little bit more about where they might stand on a disability claim and what is involved with that. So I would encourage you to call our office at 575-300-4000, and we'd be glad to visit with you and kind of talk you through those options. We help people at all different levels of that process, even starting at an initial application level. And so there are times where we get involved right from the very beginning. We do not charge a fee up front. You don't have to come into the office and bring us a check to hire us. We represent our clients because we anticipate getting them benefits, getting them approved. And when you get approved, you get back pay benefits, and our fee is based on getting you those back pay benefits. And so don't worry about the financial side of this at all. Just schedule that consultation, and we'd be glad to help you understand a little bit more about this. For those of you that don't, as you've listened to this, you don't think that Social Security disability is for you, then don't give up. Look into the other benefits that are going to be available. The one that immediately jumps out is the expanded unemployment benefits that are going to be out there. Look into those. There's hope. Don't just give up if you feel like there's no end in sight. There are things that are going to be available to help you. We'll all bounce back from it. Hang in there, and God bless.